Let's go to Belpuriwala.
I have completed my learning at the class and test. I am feeling like hungry. Hope I will find the Belpuriwala on the corner. Let's go and see. Oh, he is here.
Namaste. What will you eat?
Tell me the names of dishes first, then I will decide.
Okay. I have Belpuri, Chat, Golgappa, and Dahichat also.
Very good. Let me think. Give me 1 plate Dahichat.
Just wait for a minute. I will make it for you.
Make it spicy and tasty bhaiya. Add some imali and chutney too.
Yes, I will.
Do you also keep drinking water?
It is here.
Good. Is it clean and safe?
Yes, of course. I care for the health of my customer.
Do you take orders for small parties like birthday?
Yes, but it depends on the number of plates. I accept it is for minimum 50 plates.
It's great. Make it fast bhaiya. I can't wait long.
Yes. Here it is ready for you. And 30 rupees for it.